Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
So you think building a gaming PC is all about slapping together a bunch of high-end components and voila, you've got yourself a beast of a machine. But let me tell you, it's not that easy. I mean, I've been there, done that, and got the t-shirt, or rather, the dead mouse, because I learned the hard way that wireless peripherals are a must-have for any serious gamer. It all started when I decided to go all in on the gamer aesthetic back in the day. I mean, who doesn't love bright RGB lights, right? But what I didn't realize at the time was that these fancy keyboards and mice came with some major drawbacks. The Corsair mechanical keyboard I picked up was noisy, needed 2 USB ports just to power the LEDs, and had another issue altogether. Those USB cables were too short. But you know what they say? You can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs. And boy, did I break some eggs when it came to building my gaming PC. The first gaming monitor I ordered was a Samsung 27-inch LCD that lasted all of half an hour before being returned as it wasn't suitable for browsing, let alone gaming. Talk about a lemon. Now I know what you're thinking. What's the big deal? It's just a monitor. But trust me, folks, when it comes to PC gaming, having a good monitor can make all the difference in the world. And don't even get me started on the importance of USB connectivity. Wireless peripherals are where it's at. But despite my setbacks, I learned a valuable lesson that still holds true today. Building a PC is not just about slapping together a bunch of components and hoping for the best. It's about planning, research, and making informed decisions. You see, when you take the time to choose components that fit your needs, trade-offs become a part of life. And let me tell you, folks, I've built dozens of PCs since then, and each one has taught me something new. From high-end CPUs and GPUs needing high-quality components to match, to buying case fans being more complicated than it seems, every experience is a valuable lesson waiting to happen. So if you're thinking of building your own gaming PC, here's my advice. Take the time to plan, research, and make informed decisions. It may not be as glamorous as slapping together a bunch of high-end components, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. At PC Gaming Pulse, we're all about bringing you the latest and greatest in PC gaming, so stick with us for more stories like this one, and don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments below.